If you're a Christian, then you need to hear this. And even if you're not, the math behind these prophecies is something you won't want to miss. The numbers don't lie about Jesus and prophecies. They reveal something truly extraordinary. Let's talk about the statistical probability that Jesus is not who he claimed to be. It's a fascinating journey into the world of numbers and ancient texts. Imagine this. There are 22 specific prophecies about Jesus' life and ministry in the Old Testament. These aren't vague predictions, they are detailed and precise. From being born in Bethlehem, a small and seemingly insignificant town, to riding into Jerusalem on a donkey, an act that symbolized peace and fulfillment of prophecy, these predictions span hundreds of years before his birth. They were written by different authors in different times, yet they all point to one person. Now, mathematicians have crunched the numbers. They have taken these ancient texts and applied modern statistical analysis to them. The probability of one person fulfilling just 8 of these 22 prophecies is 1 in 100 and quadrillion. That's a 1 followed by 17 zeros. That's 10 to the 17th power, folks. To give you a sense of how big that number is, let's use an analogy. Imagine covering the entire state of Texas in silver dollars 2 feet deep. Now mark one of those silver dollars, then blindfold a person and let them wander the state. The odds of them picking the marked coin on their first try are the same as one person fulfilling just 8 of these prophecies. Astonishing, right? But wait, it gets even more mind-blowing. The chance of one person fulfilling all 22 prophecies. It's a number so large, it's almost incomprehensible. It's statistically impossible. 1 in 10 to the 157th power. That's a 1 followed by 157 zeros. To put that in perspective, there are estimated to be only 10 to the 80th power atoms in the entire universe. That number is so astronomical, it's beyond our comprehension. It's like trying to imagine the size of the universe itself. So what does this mean? What are we to make of these staggering odds? Either Jesus was the most improbably lucky person ever, defying all statistical probabilities, or he really was the Son of God, fulfilling a divine plan that was set in motion long before his birth. When you look at the numbers, the odds scream that Jesus is exactly who he claimed to be. The mathematical evidence is compelling and hard to ignore. And maybe, just maybe, it's time to see these prophecies not as mere coincidences, but as undeniable proof of a divine plan. These ancient texts and modern math together paint a picture that's hard to dismiss. Catch you in the next one, where we dive into more eye-opening truths. See ya, seek the truth, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the Bible.